Leica unveils the 75mm f2 and 90mm f2 lenses for the SL system. Leica has announced two new prime lenses for its Leica SL system, the APO-Summicron SL 75mm f2 aspherical lens and the APO-Summicron SL 90mm f2 aspherical lenses. Leica says this is a part of a new lineup of high-performance Summicron SL lenses. The two lenses has been designed and constructed in Germany using exceptional materials to allow for a long work life. Both lenses have fast and silent autofocusing system with considerably close focus limit of 0.50 meters for the 75mm and 0.60 meters for the 90mm lens. The entire focus range can be traveled in an impressive 250 milliseconds. That's thanks to the extremely powerful and robust stepping motors with DSD, which means dual synchro drive. Leica says that it paid meticulous attention to the prevention of stray light and reflection during the construction of the lenses, and together with high quality coatings to each lens surface has meant for an unavoidable reflections to be reduced to a minimum. These lenses are also apochromatic, which means they are corrected to allow photographers to capture photos in high contrast situations with minimal chromatic aberration. They are constructed of 11 elements in 9 groups, one of which is aspherical, and all elements features an anomalous partial dispersion. Both the lenses have 9 diaphragm blades and are sealed and have filter thread of 67mm. The 75mm lens weighs 720 grams and the 90mm lens weighs 700 grams. The Leica 75mm f2 and 90mm f2 lens will be available in February 2018. Costing $4,750 and $5,150 respectively. Leica will also be launching a 35mm f2 and a 50mm f2 lens to join this new series in the second half of 2018. Well, considering the prices of the two lenses, it seems to be in the most expensive side. It is much more expensive than even the Canon lineup of lenses. So what do you guys think about this lens? Will you be guys investing your money in such a high priced lens, or will you be using another lens with the same focal range and a better aperture than this lens which costs over $5,000 for one single piece of lens? Let me know in the comment section. I will see you guys in the next video, and please do subscribe to my channel. Bye guys, thank you for watching.